Hello, this is Miss Kyler, and I'm going to talk to you today about the sonnet to Night, written by Charlotte Smith. Here's the poem. It's I love thee, mournful, sober-suited night, when the faint moon, yet lingering in her wane, and veiled in clouds with pale uncertain light, hangs o'er the waters of the restless main. In deep depression sunk, the enfeebled mind will to the deaf, cold elements complain, and tell the embosomed grief, however vain, to sullen surges in the viewless wind. Though no repose on thy dark breast I find, I still enjoy thee, cheerless as thou art, for in thy quiet gloom the exhausted heart is calm, though wretched, hopeless, yet resigned, while to the winds and waves its sorrows given may reach, though lost on earth, the ear of heaven. Okay, this is a Shakespearean sonnet, and a sonnet is a 14-line poem in iambic pentameter. The first part presents a problem, question, or quandary. After the first part, there is a turn in the tone. This turn in tone is called the turn, but it's also known as the volta. This turn initiates the second part, which represents a solution, answer, or resolution. Okay, so since this is a Shakespearean sonnet, it's all in the way it's broken down and where the turn occurs. Whether it's Shakespearean, another kind is Italian sonnet, so those are structured a little differently as where the volta occurs. A Shakespearean sonnet is made up of 3 quatrains, and a quatrain, remember, is a stanza of 4 lines, and it ends with a rhyming couplet. Okay, so there's our 3 quatrains, and in these quatrains, the speaker expresses her quandary. Why would I love something so dark and sullen? So you see those quatrains there? Those are 3 of them. And then at the end, right at the last 2 lines, we have a turn, the word while, signaling a change in tone. We're going from the quandary part, the questioning part, to more certainty, to resolution. And that is in the rhyming couplet. The rhyming couplet are 2 lines that rhyme with each other. And here the speaker comes to resolution as to why she enjoys the night. So a sonnet, remember, is an iambic pentameter that describes the meter of the poem, where the stresses and where the unstressed syllables are. So iambic, and iamb is an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. So you see that? There's 3, 4, 5 of them. That means pentameter. So iamb is the unstressed followed by a stressed. The fact that there's 5 of them makes it pentameter. So that means there are 5 iambs in each line. Also important is to know the term apostrophe. Okay, an apostrophe is addressing someone who's far away or long dead as if they are present, or addressing an object or part of nature as if it were human. Okay, so this is it's a poem called To Night. It's dedicated to night. We're speaking to the nighttime. Also, we notice all the words here really describe the romantic love of nature. Wild, dark, grim, untamed, gloomy nature. And they love to see the beauty of the scary, haunted, dark sort of things in nature. Also, these are kind of words: uncertain light, restless main, sullen surges. Nature is never calm and still in the romantic minds. It's always doing something passionate. So some takeaway points. A sonnet is a 14-line poem in iambic pentameter that presents a problem, quandary, or question in the first part. The turn signals the second part. The second part presents the solution, the resolution, or answer. Shakespearean sonnet first part is made up of 3 quatrains. Second part is a rhyming couplet. An apostrophe is addressing someone who is far away or not alive as if they were present, or addressing an object or part of nature as if it were a person and could answer them. Okay, To Night exemplifies the romantic's obsession with nature. For the romantics, nature was never tame, quiet, or peaceful. Nature had to be stark, wild, dark, untamed, gloomy, and restless. And also this idea about nature equals freedom. So the countryside, nature is all about freedom, not restrained. City equals slavery, work, drudgery. That's where evil comes from, is from the city in the romantic mind. And we'll see that more when we get to the William Blake poem. Okay? Thanks for listening. Bye.